Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change privacy settings on Twitter. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually downloaded and updated the Twitter app to the latest version. If you have not done so, you can head over to your app store. In the search box you can type in Twitter and then go ahead and simply download or either update the Twitter app to latest version. If there is an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button. After you actually update Twitter, I'm going to simply open Twitter on my phone. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see this basically how the home interface of the app is going to look like. Now what you want to do is from the top left hand side of the screen you will be able to see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and you will have this option. At the bottom of the screen you will find an option which says settings and privacy. So go ahead and simply tap on settings and privacy option. As we tap on settings and privacy here, you have been given multiple options right here. Halfway down the button you will find another option which say privacy and safety and manage what information you see and share on Twitter. So you can go ahead and simply tap on the privacy and safety and you have actually multiple privacy options such as the audience and tagging, whatever you want to protect your tweets or whatever you want to allow or disallow the tagging on your Twitter profile. The next thing is you can come back and then you can also tap on your tweets and then select the privacy. For that you can mark media out your tweet as containing materials that may be sensitive. You can also come back and then tap on content. You see what kind of content you actually want to see. Literally whatever you want to actually see the sensitive content or not. You can also come back here. You can see mute and block many of the account settings. If you actually want to customize name, then you can also have the direct message option and then you can come back and tap on space and then again come back and then tap on discoverability and contact. You have many options such as you can also scroll down to the bottom and select any other privacy options which we want to actually customize on your Twitter account. So this is the way how to change privacy settings on Twitter. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.